Hello everybody, we're here at 4552 Anvil Drive. Property is good condition, needs some love, yard's overgrown. There's some roses and stuff back there though. Garage door is in need of replacement. Front concrete in need of replacement. As far as I can tell, is not actually a part of the foundation. It was poured later. Looks like it's pulling just away from the house. Before I forget, this is a corner lot. Nice big lot over here. So you head into the front door. You've actually got cathedral ceilings here. Couple of skylights, sorry. Floor is intact. I think it is that lesser expensive snap together flooring, but it is fully intact. We've come into an open floor plan, split level. Kitchen flooring probably needs redone. A couple of tiles are cracked. You've got a big open kitchen. Some very modern appliances in here already. Modern backsplash. Cabinets are in great condition. Countertop is a little dated, but in good shape. Let's go down first. So you can see some of the flooring here needs to be repaired. Again, cathedral ceilings. We have a half bathroom here. This takes us into the 2-car garage. Let's check out the lowest level and then we'll go back upstairs. Do need to replace carpeting on the stairs here. Nice tile floor down here. Washer dryer. I think those might be staying. We've got a full bathroom here. I'm sorry. 3/4 bathroom. This is shower only. Tile's in great shape. Needs cleaned up. Maybe some fresh caulking or grouting in some areas, but all in all, great bathroom. This takes us to another bedroom over here. Does have an egress window. Some water leaks have been repaired in the home. The drywall has not. This is actually a shut-off valve. There was no leak. They just cut it. There was a panel already screwed in there, as you can see with the little holes there. They just took that out. This window glass is broken, but it is an egress window. This house just keeps going. Oh, let me see if I can find some light, guys. This is the furnace. Water heater, water softener. And yes, I know I just said those in reverse. All the plumbing is copper. And we've got a whole nother space over here. This is probably just useful for storage, but it does have a closet in it. And this is your crawl space access. All right, let's go check out upstairs real quick. House is available as a wholesale assignable contract. Got a little old school radio in the wall. It's kind of cool. It says room speakers. I don't know if it works though. Up here on our left, large bedroom, multiple closets. This is our master. It does have higher ceilings, nice fan. Actually, a lot of good fixtures in here. And this is a full bathroom suite, large tub, only one sink, maybe add another. And then the toilet being over here, of course. Across the hall, up a couple more stairs, this is the view down. We've got 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom over here. Standard bedrooms. And a full bath. Flooring definitely needs replaced in here. Tiles are all in really good shape around this shower though. I'm gonna take you guys out back just to see the yard. Hopefully we'll see you at the inspection period. Check your email and or text for exact details. Call me or Brent or Chrissy if you have any questions. Deck needs to be completely redone. Swap cooler definitely needs replaced. Again, all overgrown. Nice big yard because again, this is a corner lot. So there you have it, 4552 Anvil Drive. See you guys there.